Want to learn Urdu? Subscribe to my channel to get the daily dose of Urdu lesson. So let's get started. Assalam-o-Alikum everyone. Today we're gonna start our lesson number 8 part B, which is possessive pronouns, plural words. So let's get started. So our first word is their, which means unka, unki, or inka, in-ki. Word ka is used for masculine object and the word ki is used for feminine object. So we also have on and in. On is used to point at the plural object or plural person, which is far from you, and in is used to point at the plural subject which is close to you. The plural person and the plural subject is basically the same term, so don't get confused. Now I will show you an example. This is their house. ये उनका घर है. Repeat after me. ये उनका घर है. The word का is used because the house is a masculine object, and un is used to point at a person which is far from you. It is also can say in this way. ये इनका घर है. Repeat after me. ये इनका घर है. Again, the word ka is used for masculine object and in is used to point at the person which is close to you. Now we move to our next example, which is example, this building is their property. ये इमारत उनकी जायदाद है. ये इमारत उनकी जायदाद है. Key is used to point at the key is used because the building is a feminine object, and on is used to point at the person to which the building belongs to and it is far from you. So we can also say it in this way. ये इमारत इनकी जायदाद है. Again, the word की is used because the building is a feminine object, and in is used to point at the person to which the building belongs to and it is close to you. Now we move to our next word, which is or means our. So the word or meaning in Urdu is हमारा or हमारी. हमारा is used to masculine object and हमारी is used for feminine object. For example, this is our school. ये हमारा school है. Repeat after me. ये हमारा school है. The word हमारा is used because school is a feminine object, and the word school meaning in Urdu is basically school. Next example, this is our car. ये हमारी गाड़ी है. Repeat after me. ये हमारी गाड़ी है. The word हमारी is used because the car is a feminine object. Congratulations, you completed your lesson number 8 part B, which was possessive pronouns, plural words. Like my video, share my video. Khuda Hafiz.